Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Red Styles. This is Bhumika, and today's video is going to be a special one because till now I've been doing the reviews of clothing items which I buy online, but in today's video I'm going to review a skincare product. So as you can see from the thumbnail, today I'm going to review the Mamaearth's newly launched moisturizers, oil-free moisturizer, which comes in two variants. The one is the vitamin C one and the other one is the Upton one. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So let's talk about the brand first. Mamaearth has been launched a few years back and it's a relatively a new brand. And I think they started with baby products and later on they have added the beauty products. But the products are doing quite well. So the most important thing of the Mamaearth, which is a very important factor for me, is it is a plastic positive brand. Yes, because I am against pollution and plastic pollution very specifically. Okay, so and the products also its products are also paraben and silicone free, cruelty free, vegan and toxin free. I have been using few products of Mamaearth and I'm quite happy with the products. So today we are going to focus on these two gel based oil free moisturizers which are newly launched from Mamaearth. The one is the vitamin C one and one is the Upton one. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. So the product comes in these kind of cardboard boxes, and when you open them you get these kind of cute tubs. This one is the vitamin C variant and this yellow one is, as the color suggests, it is the Upton one. These two comes in these kind of packaging, the tub, and if you talk about the value of money, you are getting 200 ml of product for rupees 349 each. So you're getting good amount of product for this much price. And I bought it from the Mamaearth's website, and each cost 349 rupees, but I bought them together and I got a good deal. Okay, I got 20% discount and I got these two for rupees 600, which is kind of a good deal. Okay, so let's talk about the vitamin C one. Let's talk about the ingredients. The key ingredients of the vitamin C ultra light gel is the vitamin C and aloe vera water, and there are some other ingredients listed over here which I won't tell you about the complex ingredients, but the common ones are the black oats extract, soybean extract, niacinamide, aloe vera extract, etc. Okay, so the main purpose of this vitamin C ultra light gel is to brighten your skin, of course to also provide hydration, but it also brightens your skin, whereas the purpose of the Upton one is to provide you deep hydration. And let's talk about the ingredients of this one. Okay, so I think the ingredients of both of them are almost similar apart from few. So it also contains carrot seed oil, black oats extracts, soybean extract, niacinamide, but it also has a turmeric extract and saffron extract. So these are the only just one or two different ingredients. Okay, so when you open this, you get this kind of a protective layer. It's like a foil, silver foil or white foil something, which prevents it from spillage. See, this one is the vitamin C one. It's white in color. See, take the product. Okay, just look at this. I'm applying it on my hand. Okay, so it has been easily absorbed, and after a few seconds you won't even realize that you have applied anything on your hand. Okay, the fragrance is really nice, very soft fragrance. I just love the Mamaearth fragrances because they are really soft. Okay, so the brand claims that this is a non-sticky formula, paraben and silicone free, and it's suitable for all skin types, which goes for both of them. Okay, so I applied a vitamin C one here and it's now, see, look at this, it's like I have not applied anything. Okay, and let's see the turmeric one, the Upton one. Okay, it's like this, very light yellow in color, and I have not removed this foil because I have kept it like this. I have used both of these for a week each one of a week, 1 week this one and 1 week this one, so that I can review it better. So what I would say is I liked this one better because it provides more hydration than this one, but of course the goal of this one is to provide hydration with the glowing skin. And the most important thing is, because you can apply it on face and as well as on face, I think it's a very good deal. You don't have to buy any separate moisturizer for your face or for your skin. So I think it's a kind of a good deal and a kind of good product. I like the product. The brand claims that it provides 24-hour hydration. Once you apply this in 24 hours, you don't have to apply it again after 6 or 7 hours as you have to do with another moisturizers. So as I told you that I have used this for a week, and I used to only apply it once in 24 hours and I was good to go. I was not needed to apply it again or after 6-7 hours or after 8 hours or after 12 hours, because the skin was quite okay. It doesn't feel dried up or it doesn't require any more hydration. It was quite good. You are good to go if you even apply this once in 24 hours. So go ahead and choose wisely which one you want, because if you want to go for a glowing skin and brightening your skin, you can go for this one, the vitamin C one, and if you want the deep hydration, you can go for this Upton one. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and until we meet up, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.